Hey guys, Alicia here. This video is going to be about what is sublimation. A lot of people have probably seen that and they don't really know what that is, or they have been shopping on Etsy and they see listings for sublimation. So I'm going to explain that in this video, but before I get into it, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Michelle with Inky Designs, so much for sponsoring this YouTube video. Now, I want to point out that she has beautiful, vibrant color designs. And she also hand draws all of these. These are not something that she, creates digitally. She hand draws all of these. So they are very, vibrant in color and very beautiful. So she has over here right now, it looks like she's working on some seasonal items right now. She has Christmas, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. So these are all adorable designs, and I'm going to go into one that I really love a lot. This one is probably my favorite right here. So this is the design that she made, and once again, she hand drew this. And she shows here what it looks like on a t-shirt. And you can also use this on like coffee mugs, ball caps, tote bags. You can use these on so many different things. But this is a super cute design, and I actually purchased it myself because I loved it so much. So let me go back just into her shop a little bit more. We'll look at some more things. And I do want to note that I will be leaving a link to her shop in the description below. So please visit her Etsy shop and, take a look if you want to get a sublimation item. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up this item right here. And she has this beautifully displayed on a mock-up photo. Look at those vibrant colors. It is just beautiful. So she's kind of showing what it would look like on a throw pillow. Now she's showing what it would look like on a t-shirt. So once again, these colors are just so vibrant, and it amazes me. I wish I had the talent myself to draw as well. So she's got a lot of really adorable designs. Let me go into another one, and they're also extremely reasonably priced. This design right here, the Believe, is only $4. And she has a lot of items here that are just $3, like the Merry Christmas, 100 Days, things like that. So let me look into one more of her items. The Christmas lights, and Merry and Bright. And once again, they're extremely vibrant colors. And she's showing what it will look like on a t-shirt. So this is just blowing my mind here with these vibrant colors. They are so adorable. The gingerbread couple, this is cute too. Once again, very vibrant colors, and she is showing what it would look like on a t-shirt. So perfect. So once again, I will leave a link to her shop in the description below. So what is sublimation? Sublimation is it's basically transferring an image such as this onto a t-shirt, a coffee mug, a tote bag, whatever it is that you want to transfer it on. That is what sublimation is. Now, I highly recommend that when you're doing something like this and you want, you see a design in her shop that you love so much, I would highly recommend looking into your local screen printers. I know that I have already looked into it in my area, and there is a million of them within a 30-mile radius to get, you know, something screen printed. But if you want to go the DIY route, you can actually print these off yourself, or you can find a place online that you can send a design to and they can print it, you know, for you. So I actually have an Amazon influencer account, and I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below also. You don't have to purchase anything that I have listed in my Amazon influencer account, but anything you purchase through my link, that helps me out a lot. So I would appreciate it. But you can get all the supplies you need for sublimation, and it requires using like the sublimation paper, the transfer paper, and the sublimation ink, and also a heat press so that you can get that on there. So it's really a great business investment to get into. So right now, like I can pull this up. Here is a sublimation printer bundle right here, and it includes also like 100 sheets of the sublimation paper. It also includes some ink, and it's basically everything that you need just to get started. And this is also in there. And this is $249. So that gives you a great start. It's a great investment to make if you want to actually start your own screen printing business at home, you know, doing that. So once again, it is basically, sublimation is just basically screen printing. It's basically taking and transferring a beautiful digital item such as one of Inky designs, you know, like this or this, onto a throw pillow or a t-shirt or a coffee mug, a tote bag, anything that you would like these on. So, you know, I highly recommend that you actually send this to a printer, and you're actually getting a deal, because once you purchase the design, something like this for like $3 or $4, you can send it to one of your local screen printers. And I know in my area, if I sent something like this, the Merry Christmas or this, they would probably charge me about maybe $12 to screen print this on there if I gave them the design, and if I also gave them the t-shirt, they would probably do it for around $10 to maybe $12. So you might want to check into your local screen printers on how you do that. So I know that a lot of people have these designs and they make their own items. So we have gotten into lately, there are so many different ways these days to make our own t-shirts, sweatshirts, you know, and ball caps and all products. And sublimation is just an area that I have not yet touched. So I wanted to really go in depth on sublimation today. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Also, I want to thank Michelle with Inky Designs again for sponsoring this video. I will leave a link to her shop in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And I will also leave a link to the sublimation products that you can purchase on Amazon, also in the link. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.